Good afternoon. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, with today's post-close grain and livestock comments. Well, the word of the day is recovery. After getting hammered last night, we did find good support finally in beans. Beans have been dancing around the halfway back level all last week at 1190. It felt like it had to go get 1175 last night, which is the 62% retracement of the rally that we had. What rally? The rally that started on June 30th at 1125 and ended at 1256. If you do the math, 1175 is the 62% retracement, and it stopped there finally. Thank goodness. We were trying to see if 1190 would have held last week. It failed and opened the door up to this test. Flip side, D's corn. It did hold its halfway back, right on the screws, 458 and a quarter. That is the halfway back point of the rally. What rally? Well, the rally that began on June 30th when we traded 425 and 3/4, and then we went all the way up to 492. So 458 and a quarter holds, 15 cents off the low. We settled at 472 and a half. Novi beans, just about 20 cents off the low. We settled at 1192 and a quarter. Now we'll see. Is this a one-day wonder? Is there something on people just reestablishing longs? We'll have to wait and see. The good thing is the managed money has stayed long corn and beans. They didn't bail last week, even though we had that big sell-off. As of Tuesday, they were still long corn and beans, a pretty good amount, and we're adding to it. If you look at the wheat market, just absolutely technical there as well. September wheat traded as low as 632. It looked like it was going to go a little bit lower, but it was able to turn around and finish 20 cents off that low, settled at 651, up 11 3/4 cents. A good recovery after just a big correction across the board. Now, is it going to last? I don't know. If you spend your time looking on social media, you'll find six on one hand, half a dozen on the other. Six guys will tell you the corn should be $9 and beans should be $20. And there's a half dozen guys out there that say, hold on, we're going to $3 corn and $9 beans. I try not to do that. I've been doing this for 30 years. What I try and do is watch the technicals. I try to reward rallies. 90% of my customers are farmers and producers. They're already bet long.